Visiting Nurse Association helps over 10,000 people every day. We're over 2,000 caregivers strong. These are nurses, physical therapists, social workers, physicians, nurse practitioners, and more that go out into the community, into people's homes, often in times of great need, and help them on their bad days. Liz and Tom are true leaders. They are constantly giving their time, their love, their energy to the VNA. Liz and Tom are people that truly understand the impact of nurses, the impact of home and community-based services, and they care very deeply about the success of these services because they know what kind of difference it makes for people in the community.
I really was interested in helping because of the mission of the VNA, and I like the fact that they don't just do home nursing, they have several programs. And the biggest thing is that they care for people regardless of circumstance or their ability to pay.
What I appreciate most about the VNA is the people who serve as VNA representatives, as VNA employees to the community, and also the people that are getting served.
The bereavement kits idea stemmed from the Hearts of Remembrance celebration that we had here at our home every year for several years. And this was a day when children who lost a loved one could come, and they did crafts and had puppet shows and sing-alongs, and it was to help the children start their healing process or in their healing process. And it occurred to us that there was many children that didn't feel comfortable coming, or children that were at a different time frame in their grief or what was happening to them, that day was not the day for them. So now we have these kits that can be delivered to their homes and explained, and it's personal situation, child to child.
We are so incredibly grateful to have this remarkable Hearts of Remembrance box. It's a box whose seed money came from Liz and Tom Thies, without whom we would not be able to do some of the amazing work that we're able to do with patients and families, especially with young children that we're working with in our program. When we bring it to them, it's actually wrapped in a big bow. It's as if you're giving them a gift in a time when they're so aware of the losses that they're facing. We had an 11-year-old boy on our program, and he has 2 siblings. Mom and Dad had been through so much, and their focus was comfort for their son and some guidance about how to go on with their other children. Through the generosity of Mr. and Mrs. Thies, we're going to be able to continue to do good work, not only for this family, but for others who utilize our service.
You know, I don't want to say the VNA is omnipresent in our lives, and at certain points in our lives we were very disappointed that the VNA was in our lives, but the care that they gave us was incredible. When you experience that, and then you think about all the other things that the VNA does for all the other families it touches, and then you say, is this organization worthy of my time, my volunteering, maybe my money, because they do so much for others like they have done for us. And you know, you can't do everything for everybody, but you can pick a couple things where you do something meaningful. And that's kind of where we have resided over the last, as Liz said, we've been involved for 24 years, but probably for the last 10 plus, it's been a major thing that we have enjoyed doing, and we have gotten enormous fulfillment in doing. To know that it touches people in a real way in their lives, whether it's at the beginning, the middle, or the end, whatever care one might need that the VNA can serve, it steps up and does so.
So we wanted to say thank you so much to everyone that's here tonight, and to our family and our friends and everyone that supported us.
Your support, your participation tonight, your donations make all the difference in the world for the more than 10,000 people that the VNA serves each day.
I would like to thank everyone for coming to our 2nd annual Beach Ball. It's a wonderful event, and we are here to not only to celebrate the Thieses, but also to raise funds for the VNA so that we can do our mission to support the underserved. And we thank you all so much for giving your support.